Here is an overview look at my grow light setup, but for this video we're going to focus on these strawberries. These are runners, and I've basically pulled them inside to overwinter, for lack of a better term. More or less, I'm trying to see if I can grow strawberries indoors. I recently potted this one up because this plant is growing strong. It's got some blossoms. In fact, it's got a few berries. One looks like it may turn. I need to keep the soil nice and hydrated so that strawberry will fill up with plenty of volume, plenty of tasty water. And in the coming days and weeks, I'm gonna pot these up into a similar size pot. But for now, this is just the update, and I hope you found it valuable. Here's an update on our strawberry growing indoors. I think this one right there that's turning brown did not get pollinated. That one's pollinated, it's swelling up a bit. I may have to do a little more watering. We got that one right there. Of course, the big orangish red one that is ripening indoors. And it was about like that one just above it in the middle when we started. I'm not sure if I caught footage of that at that time, but it's gotten a lot bigger and juicier than I thought it would indoors. So this experiment is pretty dang awesome. This other runner here that I definitely need to pot up soon is already getting a flower. Very cool. And this one's getting that nice shoot up. That nice bit of growth coming up, popping up there. I got to pot that one up as well. Be able to develop that root system so we'll get lots of fruit. Lots of good production potentially indoors, or at least as much as you can expect indoors in a very non-nature environment. And that's the update, everybody. I hope you enjoyed that. Hope you subscribe and follow along and go through all these crazy journeys that I'm experimenting with indoors this off season in the Pacific Northwest. Here is an update on this strawberry. And technically I could probably pick it right now, but I'm not going to. I want to have it a deep red, and since we don't have really much moisture or insect pressure or anything like that inside, we're going to ride this until it's nice, dark, deep red. And we're also going to track and see how these other ones are doing too. Here we are a few days later, and I potted up these other plants right there. And we've got a nice blossom going on here. Trying to make sure that the soil that I use to up pot these is absorbing and not drying out. And right over here, we've got the strawberry. This is definitely ready to pick right now. And this other guy, right here, definitely turning red, only with light by this. No sunlight, only these lights. I have a link in the description of the video to those lights so you can purchase those yourself. Some of you may be wondering how these blooms and blossoms are getting pollinated, because obviously we do not have any bees or other pollinators in here. And I've just been using my finger to get that done. One thing that can happen from that is irregularly shaped berries like this one. And this one may be that same way. This one turned out really nicely, and I'm going to pick that here pretty soon. So I may do some work with a Q-tip as well, but basically what you do is you take the pollen that's on the guys on the outside and then touch them to the middle, and that will do at least some variation of pollination. I'm going to learn as I go and refine things, of course, like I always do. But for now, if you got value out of this video, please like it, comment, let me know your thoughts, and hit that subscribe button with the bell icon. We are out.